If you're serious about gaming, a solid gaming mouse is one of the most important accessories you can get. Unlike your regular office mouse, gaming mice are designed to enhance your competitive skills and feature super responsive sensors and nicely placed buttons. Finding a gaming mouse isn't difficult, there's a ton of options available today. Choosing the right gaming mice for your needs, though, can be challenging. Fortunately, we've done the heavy work of sifting through the plethora of choices for you. In this video, we'll be taking a look at our picks for the top 5 gaming mice you can purchase in 2020. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Just like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's jump right in. In 5th place, we have one of the best RGB mice on the market, the HyperX Pulsefire Surge. The RGB lighting on this mouse is gorgeous. The moment you plug it in, you're greeted with a nice wave effect on the 360-degree ring that runs around the edge of the mouse. The HyperX logo on the top is also luminous. In addition to the excellent lighting, the Pulsefire Surge also has a nice black design, which will blend into any setup. It's also a lightweight mouse, which you may or may not like, but it feels great in the hand. When it comes to performance, the Pulsefire Surge performs as beautifully as in the looks department. It features a PixArt 3389 sensor, which delivers a maximum sensitivity of 16,000 counts per inch. As for the Omron switches on the left click and right click buttons, they feel great and perform excellently. Aside from the regular buttons, the only other buttons on the device are the DPI switch and a forward and backward button. The side buttons have a nice tactile feel and are customizable. They're clicky and responsive compared to the stiff, squishy side buttons that most mice have. The HyperX Pulsefire Surge RGB is a great gaming mouse that ticks most of the right boxes. Summing up an incredible package is the price. The Pulsefire Surge delivers a crazy amount of value for its price. So, if you're looking for a great RGB mouse that won't break the bank, the HyperX Pulsefire Surge is hard to beat. Next up, we have the Razer Viper, one of the best esports mice you can find today. This small, light, ambidextrous mouse was designed for speed and accuracy, and it certainly delivers in those areas. If you play a lot of competitive high-speed games, the Razer Viper is undoubtedly a great mouse to look at. It features a 16,000 DPI sensor, which makes it extremely responsive and thus ideal for esports titles. The Viper boasts optomechanical switches on the main mouse buttons, which also contribute to a speedy gaming experience. Thanks to this technology, latency for button presses is as low as 0.2 milliseconds, which means you get an almost instant reaction each time you click a button. Another area the Viper stands out in is accessibility. The Razer Viper is ambidextrous, and that doesn't just mean that you can swap the left and right mouse buttons. Rather, the Razer was designed with the same button layout on either side of the mouse. That's pretty awesome considering that not many other mice go to this extent to cater to left-handed people. The Viper is also smaller than other gaming mice, which is nice if you have small hands. It's also lightweight and feels really good in the hand. While it's made out of plastic, it's solid enough to withstand the frantic clicking that may occur in an esports match. The Razer Viper also features RGB lighting, though it's quite subdued. You only get an illuminated Razer logo, which will simply cycle through different colors by default. However, you can configure the lighting using Razer's Synapse software. In all, the Razer Viper is undoubtedly a great choice for any esports player looking for the best performance in a truly ambidextrous mouse. At number 3, we have an even better ambidextrous gaming mice option, the SteelSeries Sensei 310. This entry in the SteelSeries Sensei series features better looks than its predecessors and an advanced sensor in an affordable package. Starting off with the design, the SteelSeries Sensei 310 features a new matte coating that makes it easier to grip and gives it a more premium feel than other plastic mice. The mouse is very comfortable to hold and use. The SteelSeries Sensei 310 also shines in the performance department thanks to its new TrueMove 3 optical sensor. The sensor offers one-to-one tracking at up to 3,500 counts per inch and maximum sensitivity of 12,000 CPI. In addition to this, the Sensei 310 also features advanced jitter reduction. This is a great feature to have if you struggle with unsteady hands. As for pricing, the SteelSeries Sensei 310 is one of the most affordable, ambidextrous gaming mice available today. It offers just the right compromise of price, build quality, and features, and is a great option if you're looking for a comfortable gaming mouse that performs excellently. Moving up to number 2, we encounter a mouse that's a bit more expensive, and for good reason, than the other options we've reviewed so far. It's the Razer Naga Trinity. This mouse is the latest iteration of the Razer Naga design and is certainly one of the best mice to consider if you spend a lot of time playing MMOs or MOBAs. A major selling point of the Razer Naga Trinity is its interchangeable side plates. You can change the side button layout depending on what game you're playing or what tasks you're performing by swapping out the side plates. What's more, switching these side plates is incredibly easy as they're magnetic. The magnetic attachment is strong enough to keep your buttons in place while in a gaming session. The Razer Naga Trinity comes with 3 interchangeable side plates that feature different button arrays. The MOBA array offers 7 buttons in a circular arrangement, while the classic MMO array has 12 buttons. You also get a traditional 2-button layout for general computing tasks or FPS gaming. In the area of performance, the Razer Naga Trinity features a 5G optical sensor with a maximum sensitivity of 16,000 CPI. The side buttons are decent, although they can be tough to press at times. There are also no bumps on the side buttons to help guide players while gaming. Nonetheless, the Razer Naga Trinity is a great option if you're looking for an MMO or MOBA mouse. It also features RGB lighting, which is customizable using the Razer Synapse software. It fits very comfortably in the hand and can definitely improve performance in MMO games. If you get the Razer Naga Trinity for that purpose, you'll be getting a lot of bang for your buck. At the number 1 spot, we have what is undoubtedly the best wireless gaming mouse you can buy in 2020, the Logitech G502 Lightspeed. The Lightspeed is the wireless version of what is widely regarded as one of the best gaming mice out there, the Logitech G502. The Logitech G502 Lightspeed wireless mouse is a large, right-handed ergonomic mouse. It features a total of 10 buttons on the top, including a nifty button that allows you to adjust the scroll resistance of the mouse wheel. There's also a button that checks the battery level by default, but can be reprogrammed to other tasks. You can adjust the DPI sensitivity settings using another pair of buttons, and there are 2 large thumb buttons on the side of the mouse. While this may seem like a lot of buttons, they're all well laid out and don't feel crowded. On the bottom side of the mouse, you'll find the on-off switch and a compartment which stores the wireless dongle. The G502 Lightspeed also allows you to add metallic weights, precisely 2 4-gram weights in that same compartment. This is a feature that's lacking on the other options reviewed thus far, and is certainly a great option to have on the G502 Lightspeed. On the feature side of things, the Lightspeed features a max DPI of 16,000, which you can configure using the Logitech G-Hub software. You can also reprogram all the mouse buttons using this software and control the backlighting. There isn't a lot of RGB here, though. You only get lighting on the G logo on the palm rest. Performance on the mouse is great, and you'll have no issues playing games with this device. It performs even better than its wired predecessor and is very accurate and precise. The G502 Lightspeed also delivers decent battery life and flawless wireless performance. The G502 Lightspeed is also compatible with the PowerPlay charging mat, which will also recognize and pair the mouse with your PC without the need for a USB dongle. Of course, the Logitech G502 Lightspeed wireless gaming mouse is not cheap. However, for the combination of features and performance you get, the G502 Lightspeed is certainly worth its price tag. It's undoubtedly one of the best gaming mice that you can buy in 2020. Hopefully this video has given you some insight into the best options available on the market when it comes to gaming mice. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content.